Okay, this is a tutorial for my Mean and Ugly Lego Puzzle Box 3. So starting with two 2x4s and one smooth piece here, 2x1, and then a 2x1 flat, and then a 2x1 smooth there. Then you need a 4x1, then put a 2x1 here, the 2x1 here, which sticks out, then you just cover it with smooth pieces, and that put this right after a little higher than this. Yeah, you'll see. Then two 4x1s here, and like this here, like this here, 2x1 smooth piece, or flat line. Put that piece there, I think so. Yeah, let's take that. Yeah, for a moment, I'm gonna put a 2x1, 4x1, two 4x1s, and then yeah, 1x1 maybe, and 2x1. Put that on here, and yeah, I think you'll put this piece right here, and then you so it came in like that. Put your price or whatever there. One piece you wanna build two 3x1s, and then 2x1, and then 1x1 smooth piece, and then 1x1 piece, and then 2x1, 1x1, and 1x1 smooth. And cover that smooth pieces. Key there, so it's only slides off. And 2x1 and 2x1 here, and 3x1, 2x1, and 2x1 smooth. And then you put a 3x1, 1x1, 2x1 smooth, 1x1, and 1x1 smooth. I don't know if you understand, because I don't understand my yeah. That one you wanna put here. Hope you saw. If not, pause the video. Then 2x2, 3x2, 4x1, and 2x1. Put that piece here. And for safety reasons, you put this 1x1 and 1x1 there. But in other case, or yeah, 2x2 and 3x2, 4x2 under here, and 3x1, and yeah, this piece will be here, so it fits right in that hole there. There you got it.